Today we are celebrating you guys. Yeah, 1000 subscribers. So thank you. And how will I celebrate? I will celebrate with a princess cake from a bakery here in Gothenburg called Brogyllen. So let's go and pick up the cake. It's a special cake for you guys, only for you guys. Time to go home and eat some cake. See you back home. Welcome my friends, welcome back home to me. We are celebrating, of course, the 1000 subscribers with some Prosecco and of course the cake that you will see very soon. Uh-oh, ho ho ho, yeah baby. So cheers everyone. And thank you for subscribing to my channel. But now the main event. Whoa! The main event, of course, is the princess cake. Yes! So, why did I choose just a princess cake? Yeah, I've been eating princess cakes all my life and I really love it. I love it. So here you have it. Whoa! Hoo, hoo, hoo. Look at this one. This is for you guys and for me. 1000 subscribers is quite big. So cheers one more time. Ooh. Yeah, nummy. Ooh. So what is happening now? I'm just eating cake. Wow. So I will just say thank you to everyone. And I will enjoy my cake. Ooh. Yeah. Also, Brogyllen is supposed to be the best princess cake in all of Gothenburg. And I will show you some fact where you guys are from. See here what I can find. So you are from Sweden and US and India is most of my followers. You guys are mostly from Sweden, US and India. It's a good mix of people, I think. And the age gap here is between around, yeah, the most one is from 25 to 44. Also good, yeah. And of course we are 86% male and only 13% female and 0% and have some more cake. Ooh. So what have you guys been up to lately? Just comment down below what you have been doing the last month. Yeah, I will take more cake for me. If you want to join me, just go and buy some princess cake somewhere and eat it for me. Or drink a Pepsi or green tea. Green tea also is very good to drink when you're celebrating something. And of course Prosecco. So what is the future of the channel, you can ask? I think I will post some travel content quite soon. I don't know from where, but in December I will post some upcoming travels. So stay tuned for that one. I think that trip I'm planning will be a good one. But so stay tuned, stay updated for more travel content. It will be outside of Sweden, I think. And some Swedish contents. Some Swedish travel content as well. But mostly I will go off-road, I think, on other countries than Sweden. But it's quite hard to travel now. I was planning to go to one country, but then the very political situation broke out, and then I have to change my plans. So now I'm going to another country that I will reveal later in later videos. So we will see what we will do on the channel, but it will be travel content at least for a couple of months. Then I will see what I do in the next chapter of my life. But I will travel. My goal is to reach 100 countries before, I don't know but before I cancel this channel at least. So 100 countries, and now I'm I think 84 countries. So yeah, you have to have goals in life. My goal now is to finish this princess cake. With some Pepsi. Yeah, how many years did it take me to reach 1,000 subscribers? Or now I'm actually at 1,126 subscribers. Yeah, it took me around, I think, 2 or 3 years, but was last year, or like 24 and 25 this year. So it took me 1 year to, like, when I was focused on I cannot say I'm getting better at making videos, but I'm trying to improve myself each time, or improve the videos each time. But I'm an amateur, a big amateur on YouTube. So yeah, this is just for fun. But I also bought a new camera. So this is my old one, a GoPro. Almost every videos on the channel is filmed with this one, a GoPro 10. But now I have a DJI Pocket 3. That is supposed to be a very good vlog camera. So, but for now, I think the sound quality is way better with the DJI, but I still like my GoPro. Yeah. The only thing I did not really like about GoPro, it's an action camera, so it's not a vlog camera. It's sometimes the wind is stronger than my voice, so. But otherwise, it's a very good camera. But hopefully I will do some good videos with the DJI Pocket 3, and but I have a very old computer, so that's why I'm still using iMovie. I use iMovie to make my videos. Yeah. yeah, but I think this is for now. Yeah, I don't really know what more I can tell you about my YouTube channel and my subscribers. You guys are my subscribers, so comment down below what you want to see more of on the channel. It can be anything. If you want, yeah, just comment down below what you want to see more of or less of. You maybe will. But cheers and thank you, and hope for a good future for us on this community on YouTube.